So this page is just basically a page you can use to generate either WAEC pin, NECO, and then that of the NABTEB, okay, with this application. So to do that, you want to fill out a form. We just added something like a phone number in here, then select WAEC. We're going to use WAEC this time. And then if you go ahead and select the number of pins that you want, so basically this is just going to be just one pin and one serial number. So if you hit on where it says something like buy now, let's see what is going to happen. If it goes through, we're going to see a receipt for this. You're going to see that it's going to just basically get into the database and then generate this particular receipt for us, right? So this is just basically what it is. We do have the status right here, the phone number is here, the exam, and here is the WAEC pin right here that you can use. And then we will also have the serial number that you can use right here if you want to use that to check for your results. And this is the amount that has been spent, and this is the transaction ID, which is also on the URL right here. So this is the date this was actually created. So this is just basically how the application it kind of generates WAEC scratch card for you guys. So if you want to make use of that, you can actually make use of this particular script that we do have here to generate that, all right? And it's really very good, right? So anybody that needs to, maybe if you want to print this out, you can go ahead, copy this, and then print that out. If you want to make use of that, you can even brand that. Make sure that you just basically take the pin and then the serial number and then brand it with your own company name to sell the recharge card if you want to do that. So if you are a developer and you are really willing to learn how to build something of this nature, we do have an ongoing class that you can actually join. So this is where we are right now. We've actually done something about data, airtime, and electricity bills, and this is like heading to the final part, all right, which is just education bills that we're just basically working on right now. If you want to join, if you want to buy the course and learn how this is actually built, you can go ahead and then join us right now. So my email is thelotofapps@gmail.com, or you can chat me up on WhatsApp with this particular phone number that we got right here. So it's pretty simple to build something of this nature. Of course, you can always build your own UI however you want it, in case you don't even like the one that we use right here, okay? But everything on this particular course is actually built from the scratch, all right? So we did that so that you can actually learn how to build stuff of this nature from the ground up. So I think I'll see you guys in the class if you're interested. Bye bye for now.